Hi everyone, I'm Luis at Me Smart Vending. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an infrared sensor when it is malfunctioned. Firstly, let's see where is the infrared sensor located. Open the door, we can see at the left side and right side, it is fixed by two screws here and here. At the right side, we can see that the infrared sensor bulbs are black color. At the left side, the bulbs are white color. We should prepare a new sensor. And then we take off these two screws. Also, take off these two screws. Disconnect the cable. Now we can take out this and then fix the screws again. Then connect the cable again. After that, we fix the sensors back. Now we change the sensor of one side, and then we can do the same thing for the right side. Some models don't have an elevator. Let's see where the infrared sensor is installed. It's here at the left side and here at the right side. Before we change the sensor, we have to take out this pickup pole. The pickup pole is fixed by 12 screws. We can see from here 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 5, 6. At the bottom, we can see 3 screws at the left side and 3 at the right side. We can use the screwdriver to take off the screws. After we take out the pickup pole, we can move the screws which is fixing the sensor and then replace the sensor. After we replace the sensor, we should fix the pickup pole back by the 12 screws.